Hey guys, this is a Motorola Moto E4 telephone, and I currently have the back cover off. The way you take the back cover off is there's this little notch in the corner. Just try to pry it open with your fingernails and just run it across the edges and it'll just slowly pop open. I've tried all the usual things I found online, such as pressing the volume down and power button and holding it down until it turns on. That didn't work. I tried taking the battery out of it and pressing the power button for about a minute and then putting the battery back in, and that didn't work either. Oh, there's the issue. So, as you can see, it's really burned up right here. This area here. So this phone had fallen into the pool, and looks like the water caused the connection, a short circuit, where the battery terminals are, and went ahead and burned this whole area. I'm gonna try to open it up and see if I could find this board online for a cheap cost, this part here, and just replace it. So I went ahead and looked online to see if I could find this board, and I wasn't able to see anybody selling it online. I wasn't able to find it on any website. I'm assuming because it's the main board and practically the whole operating system and everything of the phone is in here. So nobody really sells this main board, it doesn't seem like. So, I mean, if I keep searching, I might be able to find it on some obscure site somewhere, but I decided, just go ahead and I'm gonna make one last ditch effort to try and fix this by as you can see, this last terminal here, it has completely burnt. It's hard to see, but let's see if it'll focus on it. It has completely burnt the connection there, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna see if I could just solder it in there and reconnect it and see if maybe the board isn't damaged. So I went ahead and filled it in with solder, as you can see right there. I made that connection again. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and connect the battery and see what happens. I hope this thing doesn't just blow up. Oh, what the hell? What the hell? Soldering that together there just turned on the phone. Alright, so I'm just going to run through it real quick and just test some of the functions to see if anything was damaged on the board. Maybe, check the audio, check GPS, stuff like that. See if there's anything else that might be damaged that I haven't figured out yet. The screen works. Looks like the time is correct, the date is correct. Let's go ahead and, so it's connected to Wi-Fi right now. I don't have a SIM card in this, so I can't really check the data. But it's definitely connected to Wi-Fi. So let's go on the internet. So looks like the internet's working, or the browser. So the Wi-Fi is working. I guess I'll just go online and play something like free music or something. All right, let's play this one right here, see what this is. It works. So the sound works. Camera. That's good. Rear facing camera working. Let's turn it around. Front face camera working. So the camera works, takes pictures. What else can we test? Can't really test GPS, I don't think, at the moment. But I'm pretty satisfied with it. Let's see if the flashlight works. Yep, that works too. And it looks like it even has a system update. So there you go. There you have it. The phone actually works. Very surprising. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos like this. And please give me a thumbs up. It helps. Thank you.